Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Thanks for asking, and also thanks for giving me a chance to elaborate this picture. Uh, we all of our can see that this is an amazing picture, and this is a picture of a fountain and a hilly. The fountain actually come from up of the hill, and here we can see that there are lots of trees, and the sky is cloudy, so cloudy, and when we when I went on Chittagong, then I saw that type of hilly fountain, and also we can and we all of can saw that um, this type of hilly fountain picture in Bahubali movies. And here we can also see that the fountains water falling in the river, and river slowly, and this is really so amazing, and this is so favorite to me.